We're back to the 80s with this 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Of course, a 305 V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of hood, good looking cowl hood on this thing. Check that out. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been charged and blows cold. Look at the front fascia on this. Nice shape, not full of a bunch of rock chips, dings. Paint has a nice shine to it. You can see it shows well. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Monte Carlo wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this thing's clean, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down this passenger side. The burgundy or maple interior. Cloth, of course, bucket seats, center console, a little aftermarket gauge cluster's been added. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, look at that interior a little bit closer. There you can see it from the rear to the front. Panel's nice and straight. Dual exhaust, and the exhaust is new from the cat's back. A few other notes from the technician on this one. Did mention the odometer reads a little bit slow. Brakes are 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. And some minor seeps, kind of typical of a car that's driven. Does have a new blower fan. And again, that AC blows cold. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, no major nicks, dings, scratches. If you like Monte Carlos, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Take a look at the interior. Door panel looking good. Modern amenities, power windows, power locks. Does have the remote mirror. Over here on the driver's side, seating surface is really nice shape. This is one of those cars. Let me make sure I step back. I want to show you the true color of that interior so it's not washed out. There you go, right there. You can see it. Tilt column, cruise control. Headliner's in nice shape. The light's washing that out a little bit. Odometer reads 8,124. According to the Carfax, it looks like it would be 108, 124. Man, you wouldn't guess it by looking at this thing. Alright, I've not played around with the stereo on this. So let's get the power. There's AM.
We continued to play the game and ended up having to...
AM working. Radio is working. Aftermarket gauges. Tranny temp and water temp has a cold start, so I wouldn't expect those to be up there. Oil pressure. Top of the dash looking good. We're going to let this warm up a little bit so it comes off that high idle. Good look at the dash there also as far as the gauges go. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Like I said, we're going to let this warm up just a tad, get it off high idle. So I might pause it and be back, but at least let you hear it run. I'll need to get the hood popped open too. So let me do that. We'll let it warm up here a second. We'll check out this engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, there's the hood pop. Getting the cowl hood on it. There we're off the high idle, so And again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 305 V8 power. AC has been converted, I see, from the R12 to the 134A. Battery disconnect when it's in storage, or maybe in between drives. Slip around to the back if you want to hear the exhaust note on it too at the low idle. '87 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This one, very nice. White with burgundy interior. An automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive for anybody. Appears to me to be a little bit low, maybe a little better handling. Left turn signal's working. Nice exhaust sound coming out, not excessive, just enough to know that that's a V8. Stereo works. I'm only getting sound out of one speaker. That doesn't take much to fix. The blower motor works on the HVAC system. Our gauges are functional, showing half a tank of fuel. The volt's over 14, the oil pressure 45 to 50 psi. Speedometer working, tachometer working. Those are the factory gauges. Now the factory temperature gauge sits down at 100, but down below the dash we have some beautiful gauges from Autometer just above that center console with a temperature gauge for the engine showing 150, which is still warming. It is a cool day out in Minnesota. It's gonna take a little while to get them warmed up. Oil pressure down there, 55. And there's a transmission temperature, always a good thing to have. Very comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car. These 80s and 90s GM bucket seats are just some of the most comfortable. That's my opinion. And yes, this does corner what I would say is better than stock. She hugs the ground very well. Nice cowl induction style hood. Smooth shift from the automatic transmission. Check out all the pictures of this Monte Carlo at uniqueclassiccars.com.